music playing an old refrain, like a memory I can't explain. Then I saw those eyes once more, like a dream I had before.
Years were drifting like ocean waves, different roads, different days. I was searching every town for the girl in the blue nightgown.
When the DJ slowed the beat, our two shadows finally meet. I said softly, is it you? And the world just froze in blue. Maybe love never disappears, even after all those years. Hearts remember what minds forget. We met again at midnight, under the same old song.
Time couldn't break us, we were apart too long.
I never stopped believing,
I never said goodbye.
we met again at midnight,
And love came back alive. Stay, don't fade away tonight. Hold me in the neon light.
now I finally understand. Home was always your hand.
All the letters I never sent, all the nights in loneliness spent, every tear I tried to hide, led me back here by your side.
I kept hearing your favorite tune, every April, every June. In each city I would roam, your voice always led me home.
If the stars can cross the sky, we can leave the past behind. Destiny just waits and waits.
We met again at midnight, under the same old song.
Time couldn't break us, we were apart too long.
I never stopped believing,
You never said goodbye.
we met again at midnight.
And love came back alive. Did you ever think of me?
Every night, endlessly.
Were you lonely like before?
Until you walked through that door.
No more tears and no more pain.
We found each other once again. We met again at midnight. This time we won't let go. No more lost time.